The AirDog demonstration stand with transparent fuel tank, clear fuel lines, crystal sight glasses, and Raptor fuel pump representing the engine fuel pump allow you to observe firsthand the conditions that entrain air in the fuel. It lets you follow fuel from the tank, through the filters, and to the engine. Air and vapor become entrained in the fuel through agitation and sloshing by the movement of the in-use vehicle. The extra fuel flow to the engine used for cooling and lubrication in the system caused splashing and agitation on its return to the tank. This entrains even more air into the fuel. As evident in this close-up, air bubbles just don't float up and out fast enough to prevent them from being carried with the fuel to the engine. It takes a positive air separation system to remove the air from the fuel. The fuel preparator is the only system in the world that removes air from the fuel. With the AirDog turned off, the Raptor pump on the left side acts as the engine transfer pump, drawing fuel with entrained air from the tank, through the inside sight glass, through the AirDog, and then the outlet side sight glass, in and to the engine. Going back to the full view, we see how a standard vacuum feed filter system operates. We also see during this portion of the demonstration how the fuel continues to pass through the filters when the AirDog pump is off. And now shut the engine down should the AirDog pump quit unexpectedly. Okay, let's turn the AirDog on. Two things happen quickly. The separated air is sent back to the tank, and the pressure of the engine goes to the positive, preventing the engine fuel pump from cavitating and producing vapor. Let's watch this again. The AirDog comes on. The separated air starts returning to the fuel tank. The pressure of the engine goes to the positive, and we have pure, clean, air-free fuel at the correct regulated pressure going to the engine, thus allowing the engine to operate with restored injection timing for maximum efficiency. We can clearly see with this close-up, fuel is now virtually air-free. Let's take a moment to watch this whole process again. Without the AirDog running, the air is passing right on through to the filter, to the engine, as your system does currently. When the AirDog is turned on, we see the separated air starting to return to the tank. The pressure comes up. Your engine now receives air-free fuel at the perfect pressure to deliver the power and fuel efficiency that it was designed to create. There are several benefits to having AirDog products installed in your truck. Number one, the most notable, is better fuel mileage. The other benefits include better performance and increased injector life due to proper cooling and lubrication from the absence of air in your fuel.